months ago, had a vision and seen through his vision to come over and be a Democrat. And we hope that when he opens both his eyes now, he will see fit to support us in the Employee Free Choice Act and our fight for health care for all. And if we achieve health care for all, then we can all help him be the next democratically elected senator from the state of Pennsylvania. Arlen Specter.
I compliment you on your tenacity and your determination and your passion, and I agree with you that health care is a right. I'm sorry to be a little late, but the President Obama scheduled a meeting at the White House on immigration, and it ran a little long, but I'm glad to see you here, and I'm glad to have an opportunity to speak to you. We are working hard on health care reform legislation. President Obama has established a summit, invited me to attend, and I do believe that there will be health care legislation. And I know you are very interested in the public component.
Yes.
And I think Senator Schumer has the right idea about having a public component which has a level playing field with the private sector, but the public component can be included. I started life as a Democrat. My family was a typical American family, immigrant parents, tough times during the Depression, FDR Democrats. I was a JFK Democrat. I tried in the Senate for years to have a moderate wing, and when President Obama was elected and wanted to bring in the stimulus package and came and talked to the senators and laid it on the line about the United States facing possibly a 1929 type depression, I voted for the stimulus package, provided a key vote to get it passed. For Pennsylvania, it means 143,000 jobs, means $16 billion. It means the continuation of Medicaid and Medicare and S-chip, health care for children. And it was the right thing to do, and I have had a voting record over the years more in line with Democrats than Republicans. I have voted for a woman's right to choose. I took the lead with Senator Harkin on increasing funding for the National Institutes of Health from $12 to $30 billion. Voted 22 times for Davis-Bacon, 20 times for extending unemployment compensation, co-sponsored legislation for the minimum wage. There were a lot of Democrats who'd been urging me to change my registration. I rode the train for 3 decades with Senator Biden, then Senator Biden, from Washington to Wilmington, and I went on to Philadelphia, and you know how repetitious Joe Biden can be. And Ed Rendell has urged me for years to become a Democrat. You may not know that I gave Ed Rendell his first job out of law school. He was a law student at Villanova. I was district attorney. He wanted to become an assistant DA so he could become famous and get to be governor, and there you are. And he wanted me to become a Democrat. And after I voted for the stimulus package, I found more Republicans who wanted to be a Democrat than Democrats who wanted me to be a Democrat. So I went with the flow, and we feel very comfortable. I don't have to look over my right shoulder anymore. Came in with Eileen Conley, who's holding my coat, and my wallet. And the Employees Free Choice Act was mentioned, and we're working hard to find the answer which will get early union certification. And we'll get the first contract. But today I know your focus is on health care. I have to go now to the Senate chamber. We're about to vote on Dean Coe, where the filibuster was defeated. He's a very strong Obama nominee to be legal counsel to the Department of State. But I thank you for coming to Washington, and I thank you for putting up with this heat and waiting, and I thank you for your passion and your presence here, and your rally and your enthusiasm has a big effect on what goes on 3 blocks away on the Congress of the United States, and you will get health care this year.